Here we are, folks. We are going up to park. We're going up there. And from there, we're going to slide down here. Wonderboy Jeremy behind me. Where are you, Maria? More back there.
She's like, where are you, Maria?
Where are you, Maria? Maria, where are you, Maria? She's at Whistler 2 Park.
I am here.
And Sugar-Free Traveler is way up there. We are gonna have fun. They charged me by accident for 1 hour, but when it's over, I'm gonna go pay for the second hour. We're gonna do 2 hours of sliding up and down this hill. So, enjoy. I came here and I see the shovel. I thought I had to jump over the shovel, but I found out I don't have to. It's a good thing because I thought, well, how am I gonna jump over the shovel?
Too bad you're getting old.
And look at this. Walk like a penguin because it's slippery. Keep the mask on. That's the rules here. And which is the big one? Hello. Which is the big one? All right, thank you. We're gonna go to the big one.
Where's the big one?
You're gonna take the big one.
We're gonna take the big hill over there, where everybody is. Look at this. That's to move the snow. And we're going to the big slide. We don't ride the little kid slide. We go right to the big deal.
But it's not really cold.
Why?
I'm not wearing as you guys can see, I'm not wearing
Why do we go to the big deal?
gloves.
Because
It's not really that cold.
we are YouTubers.
I'm gonna come up with it.
We're the biggest, the baddest, and the best. Wonderboy Jeremy,
That as well.
DougP Vlogs. Where are you, Maria? And Sugar-Free Traveler.
I'm here in Whistler.
Where are you, Maria's in Whistler. So we go on the big ride. We don't ride on the little kids' rides. We ride on the big rides.
Because we're the big boys.
Yeah, we're the big boys. We're the big YouTubers. He says we're gonna be terrified.
Yeah.
But we are YouTubers and we have no fear. And I'm not that famous. Here, I have a card though.
Jeremy.
I have a card and a t-shirt.
Yeah. What do you guys post? Vlogs? Yeah.
Yeah, vlogs.
Yeah, right. You can go down this one.
Really? I don't need a push. Here I go. Here I go. I don't even fit into this thing because I'm too damn fat. Wow. Cool. Except I'm going backwards. I can't turn around. I'm going backwards. Okay. Oh, good. Slow down a bit. I don't know if it ended, if I got stuck. Did I get stuck? A little more. I got stuck. I'm too fat. I'm too fat. I couldn't make it over the hill. Oh no, I made it to the end. I made it to the end. I thought I was too heavy and I couldn't make it to the end, but I made it to the end. Wow. This is cool. This was so much fun. So we're gonna go up the escalator. We're gonna do it again. Yeah. Boy Jeremy, he broke down back there. He's lighter than me. Wonderboy Jeremy ran out of steam back there. He's lighter than me, so I don't know why. Because I'm heavy and I couldn't make it. But
That was flipping cold.
that is cool. And where are you, Maria? She went farther than all of us.
I was like going round.
Yeah, I know. I was going backwards.
Yeah, I was going backwards and slow. I was like, oh shit.
I was going backwards. It was kind of like weird going backwards. I thought, suppose I run into a wall.
Dude, that was hella cold.
Let me put on my mask because
Yeah.
I don't want to get in trouble. So we're gonna go up the hill. Let's go up the hill. Keep walking. So we're going up the hill and we're gonna do it again. That was a lot of fun. So here we go. Going up the hill on the second run. Walking up this little hill is wears you out, but we're going on the second run. We got 2 hours of this. I love it. Come to Whistler, guys. Give this a try. There's nobody up here. Skiing, it's a lot of people. Come on up. I fell off. I fell off the tube. I fell off this thing. So, into the deep snow. So, I'm back on. And I'm good to go. I'm good to go. I fell in there. It was really deep. It was really deep. That was crazy, man. I gotta take a snow dive after this. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Going down the hill. Yeah. All right. It's fun. It's scary. The snow hit me in my face. I'm up the hill. Yeah, I'm gonna go further than last time. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I've come to an end. So here we go. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, this is great. This is great. Okay, I'm going backwards again. Okay, I'm going in circles. Okay, this is nuts. Okay, this is fun. Yeah, Whistler, welcome to Canada. Whoa, wonderful. Oops, I'm too heavy for the hill. I gotta get off and push it up the hill. Stay tuned. Oh, I gotta get out of this damn thing. Ah! Holy cow. Ah! Hey. Okay, I made it. Put on my mask so I don't get in trouble. Okay. I gotta walk up the rest of the way. I gotta walk the rest of the way because it quit. When I was on the other side, I went further. So I think what's affecting it is the fresh snowfall is like slowing it down. If there'd be more wet rain, because this snow is really dry. I mean, I'm covered with snow and I'm dry. If this snow would be a little more wet, it would be a lot slipperier. But you know what? I don't care. This is just great. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching. We shall see you next time. Bye bye.